Remove components from network. Philips MasterConnect tutorial video. Each MasterConnect components is secured and cannot be used by users without access to the project. To release a MasterConnect product from a group to use it in another group or project, these wireless components need to be removed from the group. Only then, the removed devices can be used in other groups, projects, or by other users. Either entire groups or single devices can be removed via the Philips MasterConnect app. To remove a single light from a group, go to the Group Overview. Choose the light to be removed by clicking on the three dots next to the light. Choose Remove from Group and confirm your selection. The intensity of the light goes to full light level. Repeat this step for other individual lights in the group. You have successfully removed an individual light from a group. You can then delete the group by clicking the three dots on the right, select Delete Group, and confirm your selection. To remove an entire group, go to the main overview. Click on the three dots next to the group you want to remove. Select Delete Group, and confirm your selection. All lights go to full light level. Also, you can remove an entire group by going to the Group Overview and selecting the group you want to remove, then click on the three dots at the right, choose Delete Group, and confirm your selection. You have successfully removed an individual light and an entire group with all its components.
Philips